Sabi dito, Gen Z aren't snowflakes. Some things just aren't funny. If someone takes offense because of what was said, the ideal reaction is to apologize and retract, not defend and rebut. Hello? Maybe the joke isn't meant for you. Or maybe you are not just the target audience of the joke. That's fine if you don't find everything funny. Well, some people might find it funny. And again, if a joke's not funny, then you can move on. This is Pinoy Extreme and pag-uusapan natin ngayon yung naging epekto ng humor sa mga bagong generation ngayon. Let's do this.
This is Pinoy Extreme.
Sabi niya dito, even if the original intention wasn't to wound anyone. Now, there are wounds that are self-inflicted. Self-inflicted in a way because they want to impose something other than what the creator of the joke intends to. Gets nyo? Sabi nga ni Ricky Gervais, you can make fun of bad things without becoming a bad person. Now, yung mga pawok ngayon is they tend to put themselves in the joke na hindi naman sila kasali. Kaya ang ending, yung feelings nila or yung pagiging offended nila, yung gusto nilang manaig doon sa joke na yun. To think that we exist beyond the bounds of accountability and that our words don't come with their own set of consequences might just be the funniest joke of all. Anong consequences ng isang humor or ng isang joke, especially if it's done in a proper place, proper forum? 'Di ba? Most likely, ang consequences nun either matawa yung tao or mainis. Bakit? Because maybe either they cannot relate to the joke or they cannot face that that joke is a reflection or representation of who we really are.
How arrogant are you to think that you deserve to go through life with no one ever saying anything that you don't agree with or like? Sense of humour.
Yeah,
it
and
makes you bulletproof.
Exactly.
Okay, if you're so fragile that you think that a joke about someone can destroy it, well, you need something else. Then I want people to stop saying that joke's offensive.
Yeah.
I want them to start saying I found it offensive, because you've got to own the emotion, because that's all it is. You're
Yeah.
just telling me how you feel about it.
Now, you put meaning to everything, literally. You are the one who's going to assign what it means. Now, here's the problem with that. Now, the creator of the joke intends it to be funny. Nothing more than it. Now, if other people would find it offensive, it's going to be on them because they are the one who's giving meaning to the joke other than the person who already defined its meaning. So, nag-go extra mile na lang yung mga taong na-offend because again, baka nga nakikita nila yung sarili nila doon sa sitwasyon and yung joke hindi nila magawa kasi nga sarili na nila yung nakikita nila. If the joke has some levels of truth in it, then what can we do? Anong laban natin? Totoo nga. Ngayon, kung maaasar ka dahil totoo, ano yung kailangan mong baguhin? Yung joke o yung sarili mo? Basic, di ba? This is Pinoy Extreme. Have a good day.